So I want to talk about ACT today, and that is acceptance and commitment therapy. So what it is a mindful based approach that teaches acceptance of difficult emotions. This helps you learn to manage your emotions like anxiety, fear, and stress in your trading. So the first part is accept. So instead of fighting them, accept them as part of the trading process. Acknowledge them and allow yourself to feel the emotion. Don't judge, just feel. Then you're going to do the diffusion part, which is distancing yourself from that negative thought and beliefs so you could see them objectively from the outside and choose how you're going to respond to those emotions you're feeling. Then you go into the values. What core values as a trader do you have? And can you use them to guide your decision making on how to deal with these emotions? And the last part is commitment. Once you have identified your values, make a commitment to taking action that aligns with your values, even if it's difficult. It's gonna be difficult, but the better you can talk yourself out of it and say, yeah, I felt it. It's part of it. I accept that. But looking at those emotions, nothing good comes from it. So I need to align myself with my values, and I'm going to do positive self-talk. I'm going to focus on what to learn, and I'm going to focus on doing better next time around. And then you commit to yourself through that process and get yourself past those emotions and get yourself back on track with trading. This is a really great technique with anytime you're emotional. First things first, feel the emotion. You can't fight it. The faster you could feel it and be with it, the faster you could pull yourself out of it, analyze it, figure out what you actually believe in, and then move past it. So this is a section, really this course, but this lesson, the section in general and this lesson, something you're going to want to go over a few times and make sure that you really implement this into your life, because you're going to get the most out of it and you're going to get the best benefit from it, because being an emotional person, we're all emotional, right? That's normal. But once you feel them, who could recover the fastest and build from them and not let them take over you, the better chances of getting yourself back on track to success and continuing your growth. So think about that. If you're a trader and you want to scale your profits, you can't let these emotions control you. You need to identify you're feeling them. Say, hey, I want to keep growing. If I let these emotions control me, I'm not going to be able to keep growing towards my goals that I have for myself. And it's really powerful once you're able to start thinking like that, because you're going to be able to snap out of it, push forward, and keep growing. And it's going to feel like the more you do it, the faster you get and the faster you're able to grow. And it's a really beautiful process that you have with yourself. So practice it, understand it. It's going to feel hard. You're going to be like, yeah, but I'm so mad. Again, try to get yourself out of being mad once you feel it. As much as it wants to control your body, tell yourself, hey, stop. You're mad. You felt it. You made a mistake. Let's not let this control us anymore. Let's get focused on what matters, and let's continue our process.